So should the project manager be involved in developing the business case? I believe not. For the same reason, you then got poacher and gamekeeper. The project manager is not involved in writing the software code. The project manager is not involved in testing the software. The project manager is not involved in pouring concrete. The same principle. There is a clearly defined role for coming up with the business case. It needs to be owned by the business and owned by that sponsor. The project manager needs to be able to operate as a challenge and a belt and braces check against that. And they can't do so effectively if they've been involved in producing it. Helping produce the document is quite often something that a project manager ends up doing because what they've been given is a crib sheet, and to get it into a proper structured document somebody has to do it. Ideally not the project manager, but in your situation where there's nobody else going to get down do it, it's better to then write it out. But what I would suggest is it gets played back, so it's almost in stenographer mode. You've given me this information, I've put it into a correct document, the correct structure. Here it is back. This is what you told me. This is what you were telling me to do. Yeah? So that ownership sits back with them and that accountability sits back with them. What you have to avoid is a situation where, well, I never thought it was a good idea. It was her business case. Yeah? That's the thing to protect against. So if you believe that there is a flaw in the business case, no matter what it is, the feasibility study was incorrect, or the feasibility study was 4 years ago, and life has moved on, then again you surface that through risks and issues. The tools are there to do this. The project manager has the tools. And getting something on a risk log so that when you're at the next project board you can bring it up and say, there is a risk that the feasibility study was done 4 years ago and it's no longer current. What are we going to do about it, guys? Because we have to do something about it if we think it's no longer valid. Yeah? So absolutely, but again, doing it in a way that puts the responsibility back with the business that says, are you still sure that your business case is valid?